Vintage automobiles are valued not only for transportation, but also as symbols of automotive heritage and artistry. Maintaining their aesthetic and structural integrity, particularly addressing dents, is crucial for enthusiasts to preserve their value and beauty. Classic car dent repair is challenging due to the rigid, heavier steel used in older vehicles compared to modern, more pliable materials like aluminum. Tools and techniques. Essential tools: dent pullers for various dent types, body hammers and dollies for precise metalworking and smoothing, body filler and primer for dents that cannot be fully repaired, ensuring a smooth surface for repainting. Repair methods: paintless dent repair, ideal for small dents with intact paint, using specialized tools to gently push out damage. Traditional dent pulling, used for deeper dents, involving pulling and reshaping with hammers, heat, and sanding. Body filler application, applied minimally to maintain authenticity, followed by sanding and priming for a seamless finish. Preservation tips: seek professional help for major repairs. Use original paint and parts whenever possible. Maintain detailed records of all repairs for added value. Dent repair for classic cars requires skill, the right tools, and respect for the vehicle's heritage. Using proper techniques, collectors can preserve their car's allure and lasting value. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 83227543774. That's 83227543774. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.